Hello YouTube! I'm gonna show you something I haven't showed you yet. Something I don't use as much as I should. I've had it for a very long time. It's a very reliable vehicle now. And I made it that way because I got tired of the carburetor issues, because I didn't drive the vehicle very much, and with the new fuel, when you don't drive a carbureted vehicle very much, it usually turns into a shit show, stick and floats, all those things. So to keep the camera rolling here, and without further ado, I will show you my 1969 C-10 that I LF swapped with a 6.0. This vehicle runs with the, sorry guys, they're going along for the ride here. It's going with the 6.0, also the 4L80E transmission. I bought a truck for 2,000 bucks in like 98 that had 160,000 miles on it. I completely took all of the drivetrain out of it, all of the wiring. I didn't use any of the expensive cheaty wiring. It's all factory. I think I made 13 or 14 splice connections in it. I sent the computer out to lsswaps.com. A big shout out to those guys, because that's where I got all my information. That's where I sent my computer out to get it reprogrammed to get rid of the anti-theft, and also to get rid of the rear cats. I also added an electric fan. That particular electric fan is out of a 92 Taurus. Those old early 90s Taurus fans are awesome. If you can find one, they're right on par with the fancy ones you're gonna spend $300 for, in my opinion. They have a high and low speed, and this one does too. I can't remember. Low speed is, I think, 190. High speed's around 200. So we'll just show you guys the rest of the truck. I gave it a quick bath this morning. It's the first time I've gave it a wash in many months. Just forgive the back. We're going to a car show tomorrow, and it's a work sponsored event. So we will let you guys take a quick walk around. I had my kids with me. I'm sorry for any of the excess noise, but this is it right here. I'll have to do a little more cleaning in the morning. I have some Meguiar's Quick Wax, and I think I have some of that, I don't know, it's a Lucas product. I think I still have some left. If I don't, I'll cry. spin around and do a little, you know, just a small video of, you can look at my ugly mug. Had fun today, did a lot of fishing. Caught a bunch of snapping turtles. It was lousy in that lake. Pond, whatever you want to call it. A couple of rainstorms. So, all in all, it was a good day. The old truck here, it performed flawless as usual. It's been really reliable since I swapped it over. Other than the alternator going out one time, that was it. So, knock on something that's, there's no wood, I'm sorry. I can't knock on wood, there's no wood to knock. Nice day. Now I'm going to do some exciting mowing the grass when I get home. Woohoo! Six-pack truck that was lifted up. It was painted black. It was beautiful. It was straight. I didn't see anything wrong with it. It was really, really nice. And it had a 12-valve Cummins in it. It was a nice truck. Very nice truck. That definitely took a lot more to pull off than what I did here, that's for sure. To each their own, you know. I put a ton of coal and probably close that much mulch. And I hauled a load of topsoil in this thing one time. Now, luckily, it's a very, very short distance. The topsoil is heavy. It's much heavier than a scoop of mulch. Video posted up. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Until next time, on Mad Mike's Garage. You guys down here. I'm gonna show you guys my gauge setup here real quick. It's real cheap. It's the Torque Pro app. You just get the Torque Pro app on your phone or your tablet, and then you use the OBD2 scanner, and you get all your gauges off of that. So that's how you do that. I got the tablet used for like $100 bucks. Of course, the reader's like 25 bucks. It's pretty cheap. So just figured I'd show you that. It's a way to go around the expensive Dakota digital setup.